Hello and welcome to the online classes of Computer Science with Python. This is Renuka and today we are going to discuss about the random module and its functions in Python and statistics module and its functions in Python. So what is random module and what are its functions? So basically random module is a module which provides the various functions which have ability to generate random numbers. What are random numbers? The numbers which every time if we ask for a random number, it will generate a different number. So such type of numbers are known as random numbers. So all these functions present here in random module can be used unless and until we are using or importing random module. So first statement every time before using the functions for random module will be import random. So import random and after that we can use random function. So first function is random. Random dot random. Random is the module and second random is for function separated by a dot operator. So import random and after that random dot random. So this function will always generate a float number between 0.0 to 1.0. Every time it will generate a different number. So if you say first time if you are typing the command random dot random, it will generate a different number. Next time it will generate some another floating number. So that is random function. Next is randint. Randint function takes in the range and produces an integer between that range. So if you are saying random dot randint, every function we will use with random module. So random dot randint 1 comma 100. So randomly it will produce any number. For example, here it is displaying 95. Again repeat the command and it is displaying 49. So any number except upper range 100. So 1 to 99 it will generate any number, and every time you type this command it will generate a different number. Then random dot rand range. So what is the difference between rand int and rand range? Both generate integers within a given range, but here by default the step is 1. In rand int the step is 1, like 1 2 3 4 5. Out of these set the number will be generated, but in rand range we can mention the step also. So if the example is 1 comma 10 comma 2, so it is having the values 1 3 5 7 9. So every time we say this command random dot rand range 1 comma 10 comma 2, it will generate a random number out of 1 3 5 7 and 9. So that is rand range. Next is random dot choice. Out of not out of a range, out of a set of values. Set of values, any random value will be selected. So random dot choice 12 comma 23 45 67 65 43. So out of this it is giving randomly selecting 45. No prior criteria is there for the selection. Randomly it will select 45, next time it can select 67, next time it can select 12, and every time you generate with the same set of values it will give different results. Then random dot shuffle. This function randomly reorders the elements in a list. So whatever is the order in a list, that will be shuffled. Here also no prior criteria, they will be shuffled randomly. So we can try these commands on Python prompt. So from here we'll open the Python shell. So this is Python shell. So in Python shell we are going to open this. So first is import random. That is compulsory, we have to import the module. Then our first command was random dot random. and it is saying 0.21. You can see that in the example we have a different output, and in this when we are executing it is showing different output. Again, if I type this same command, copying and pasting here, same command, and it is showing different output, but the range is 0.0 to 1.0. Next is rand int. I want 1 comma 10, so out of 1 comma 10, and before that random is compulsory, random dot rand int, and it will show, it is showing 7. Again repeating the command random dot rand int 1 comma 10. So same command, and it is showing 4. So every time it will show different numbers, but between 1 to 10, upper range is not included. Then comes random dot rand range. Here also 1 comma 10 comma 2. Step I am giving 2, so it is showing 7. Next time again, if I say next time same command, it is showing 5. Same command, it is showing 3. So every time different number, but out of set 1 comma 3 comma 5 comma 7 comma 9. Why? Because we have given the step 2. Next is random dot choice. Random dot choice, and in quotes I am giving computer, so it is saying O. Next time if I type same, it is saying U. So every time it will give us different character out of computer string. So that is random dot choice. Now I am taking one list that is with 3 values, 4 values, any number of values I can take. N is the list, and now I am saying that I am shuffling this list. Random dot shuffle, and in the brackets N. So it is shuffled. If I type N, now you can see the order. It is showing the order 5, 3, 8, 9. So again I shuffle the list. If again I shuffle the list, means elements of the list will be shuffled, and you can see now the list is 3, 8, 9, 5. So shuffle, rearrange the elements of the list. So this is how the various functions of random module work. But the very important thing is, first we have to import the random module. So moving next are statistic modules. So statistic modules which perform mathematical statistics of numeric data, like mean. Mean calculates the arithmetic mean. Suppose 2, 5, 6, 9 are the values, and we have to calculate the mean. Then 2 plus 5, this means 2 plus 5 plus 6 plus 9 divided by 4. So that is the mean, that will be 5.5. And before that we have to import statistics module, and before using mean we will use statistics dot mean, in the brackets the values. Then median returns the middle value of the numeric data. So if the numeric data is 1, 2, 3, 8, 9, then what is the middle value? 3. So here also import statistics and statistics dot median, in the bracket the values. Then mode method returns the most common data point or most frequent data point. So here this is the data, and to calculate the mode we have to write statistics dot mode. So which is most frequent, that is 2, 1 time, 2 time, 3 time it is coming. 3 is coming only 2 times. So whose frequency is highest, that is 2. So output is 2. So these are the various functions of random module and statistic module. Thank you very much.